Yo, yo, yo. Welcome. We are back. We are back with more building of a Yippee mobile game. Indeed, we are. We are here with part 31. Wow. Yeah, we've gone 30 parts so far. This is part 31. Yeah, this is pretty good. Yeah. And this time we're doing some bug untangling of the Yippee mobile game. Indeed, as well as some more iPad support. Yeah, in the last stream, we did a little bit of iPad support stuff. Like I think we made like the stats view, and I think the leaderboard view, a couple of those ones look nice on iPad. But I think we're just pending we've got like a little shop in our game. We need that to look nice in the iPad and the game itself. Yeah, I think we were starting on some of the game stuff, but we kind of got sidetracked a bit by some bugs that came up. Yeah, so I put the bug stuff in the title because I have a feeling we're gonna be untangling some of those Yippee bugs this stream. Yeah, so that'll be good. Yeah, we'll get rid of some bugs in a most loving manner. Yeah, we gently send the bugs off on their way. But yeah, that'll be good. But yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into it, shall we? I think so. Yeah, here we are back in our little IDE stuff. Yeah. And so, yeah, let's see. So where we last left off, we were doing some stuff with different phone types. Like I think right now we're on the iPhone SE simulator. And we were kind of playing around with some things. I remember, yeah, we got like super high jumping Yippee. Yeah, he's quite the jovial fellow. He's quite limber and able to jump to great heights. Yeah, because it's designed right now for like iPhone 12 or iPhone 14. Yeah, so when I test on this device, he's like he jumps much higher because the jumping value is based off of the width of the screen. Yeah, and the width of this screen is much smaller, so it's like, yeah, I know, there's something about it. Oh yeah, and then look at that. It's like some of this text is a bit squished. Yeah, so we'll need to change a couple of these things. Although actually, yeah, I thought I changed this on the game overview already. Actually, let me test that in the simulator. But yeah, we've got a couple things on the horizon for sure. Yeah. Let's bring up the old trusty simulator, because old reliable can sometimes tell a better story than the preview. Yeah. Sometimes there's some hidden messages in the simulator over the preview. So yeah, we'll bring up the old simulator then. The old iPhone SE 3rd generation simulator. And we'll try and get a game over and see if it still has this kind of truncation and such on the text in the game overview. Yeah. Oh, also, yeah, there's a bug right now with the collisions with the whatchamacallit, the bat. Yeah, there's a little bit of bugs. But yeah, we gotta optimize this for sure on the iPhone SE. Indeed. Yeah, because right now, like all of our stuff is pretty small. Oh yeah, also I just noticed, I think it did truncate a bit there. Yeah. But yeah, look at this. There's quite a bit of speed involved on the iPhone SE. It's optimized for the iPhone 14, so we've got like, all the values are very fast, and you can like jump really high on this phone. Yeah, we gotta adjust things a little bit. But yeah, especially this text. We'll make sure this isn't so gymongous on the iPhone SE. Yeah, let me actually, I'll fix that, because I think that shouldn't be too bad. I think, yeah, we'll make it scale down a bit better. Yeah, that should be good. But yeah, we've got some good things cooking in the pipeline, so to speak. Yeah. Let's take a look over at our game overview and fix it on the iPhone SE. Yeah, this is quite gymongous. We've got some very large text here. Not a lot of spacing. It's very, yeah, some of it's getting truncated. That little enemy is defeated there. It's a bit, it's got the 3 dots to try and truncate it. But yeah, we need to give it enough space to where it looks nice. It looks nice on the SE. Yeah, so let's do some stuff. Yeah, I think maybe we can scale this down. We'll increase this and see. Actually, we'll test this one first. So what if we make the scale factor like 3? Yeah, we've already got some stuff working there. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, it looks like 3 is a good value. I'm guessing we can probably scale this one down too. Yeah, maybe like 5 there. And then, let's see. I kind of want it to scale down a little bit more. We'll play with the numbers a little bit as we do. I think it doesn't really do anything past a certain number. Yeah, I think we've got like 0.7 is our limit there. But yeah, we're trying to make that little 0 a little bit smaller as we do. I think what we can do is we can probably increase the width here and make it a bit wider, or maybe even let's see. So realistically, how many enemies is someone gonna defeat in any game? I'm guessing probably not too many, but they could theoretically defeat a buttload, and in that case we'd want it to, say if there's like 10,000 there, we want the text to be pretty small, right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Well, let's... I could just change this to be like a 40 here. Or... yeah, like 30 or something. But the problem is that it won't look nice on the bigger phones. Yeah, say if I swap over to like the 14 Plus. Let's take a look. Yeah, I don't know. Or actually, even especially on iPad. Although iPad should be fine, I think. You know what? I'll make all of these 30. Because that way we have some consistency among the things. Yeah, we'll just like copy this actually. For all these number values. Yeah, that should be good. That should be A-okay in my book. Yeah. Yeah, what are some updates I can give on generally how things have been doing? Yeah, there's been some updates off stream. Like there's, yeah, some unexpected ones too. Yeah, so here's one thing that's true about publishing an app to the App Store that some people might not know. That like before you published an app to the App Store, you need a website. Like Apple requires you to have a website for your app, like a support link to contact the developer, and also a privacy policy URL. So yeah, we had to be a bit of a web developer off stream. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, because I'm no web guru, but yeah, such things demand me putting on a different hat. Yeah, maybe I can show that. Because I did a little bit of a website thing like 2 days ago. I scraped some things together. I put a couple of my brain cells together, and we made a little bit of a mini website for future apps that we will do. Yeah, let me actually show this one, because I don't know. I didn't really spend a lot of time on it because I purposefully just wanted to get my Apple account approved as fast as possible. But yeah, this is what it is. We're in the Cipher moon. That is the space. That is the space where all of our apps will reside. Yeah, so we're doing this thing here. Yeah, so we have this stuff, some information. And then, yeah, see what I did with the privacy URL? Like I literally just, like I threw this together like in 5 seconds. well, I had another website which was similar to this, so I just copied over the code. Yeah, I'm definitely going to update this page for our privacy link. And I didn't even put the privacy URL yet. Yeah, I just put like some boilerplate stuff. Yeah, just so it would get approved. But we're still pending some things on our account. Yeah, that's why I can't do Game Center yet, because my account is still pending some things. Yeah, Apple's very, very meticulous with being able to publish apps. So I got the website set up. But then, yeah, we're still pending some tax stuff. Yeah, we'll get the tax stuff resolved. But look, I have the contact URL. So this is one of the 2 required URLs you need. And then I have the privacy link. Yeah, we just haven't really like put anything here. And also this contact, when you submit stuff, it doesn't work. Yeah, I'm still working on that. But when they were reviewing my website, they just saw this. They didn't test it. So, you know, we kind of snuck under their radar. Yeah, so that was good. But yeah, we've got some things going in the website realm, so that's good. That is good, and we'll make it look a little nicer. But yeah, that's basically where our app information and the privacy stuff and some contact stuff will reside. Yeah, that's kind of what's been going on off stream. Yeah, we've got the little cyberspace for the apps to reside in. Yeah, it's been good. We've been doing the good things. Yeah. Well, let's see. Let's go back to seeing how we can decrease the font size of the things to look a bit nicer. Yeah, I think so. We'll copy over this one for these text values. Yeah, like this and this. Well, here's the thing. I don't know if we want like the points and the distance here to be such like they're so much bigger than the enemies defeated font down there. Yeah, so we'll kind of, I don't know, we might play with the values a little bit so they aren't like so differently sized. I feel like, I don't know, it looks a bit weird that way. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. They pushed in the middle when I do that. Okay. Now let's see. Actually, this might be better, I'm thinking. And then of course the M is pretty gymongous there. So we'll make him go down a little bit. We'll make that little M. We'll bring him down to earth. Ah, there we go. I think this stuff is looking nice. So that's looking good on the iPhone 14 now. So now let's check over on the SE. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm okay with this on the SE. Although the M there, it looks kind of like it's down a bit. You see that? It's kind of like below the thing there. I don't know. It seems a bit conspicuous. I'll admit. Let's think. Is it this padding? I wonder. I take the padding out. Oh no, that's enemies defeated. But the M, there's like, oh, there's trailing padding here. So I took that out. Okay, and then if I take that back in, oh, it's because it's like, oh, I need to make this like smaller. I saw it. It was like pushing down because of the font size. I'm like, whoa, what's up with that? But yeah, we do this now, and I think it looks better. Yeah, let's just decrease the padding though a little bit. Like maybe have it. Yeah, okay. I think that's a little better. Yeah, although the distance is, that number is very too close to that label there. Yeah, I wonder, maybe I can add some more. Let me think. You know what? I think I'm all right with it. I think I'm somewhat okay with it. Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah. So now let's check on the other phone types. Well, I think it's good if it's just working on those two, the SE and the 14 Plus. But now we must check iPad. We must indeed check iPad as we do. I think we've got a preview set up for iPad already. Ah, yeah, look at that. So we need to adjust this for iPad. Yeah, definitely. So enemies defeated. We've got this font to be 50. Right, okay. So we'll say this. For iPad, make the font 50. Ah, look, we've already got some visible improvements in how the things look. That's good. What if we did it for this one too? Oh, that's looking nice. That is looking nice. We've got some good stuff cooking in the pot. Indeed. Indeed, I'm liking this. This is good. This is good. Yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with that. Yeah, so that's iPad Pro. That's pretty good. I think so. I think that's pretty good. Now let's see. So if that's iPad Pro, what does it look like on the mini? On the miniature iPad, as they call it. Yeah, let's see. Let's take a look. Because sometimes when you've got the ginormous iPad 12.9 inch and the little mini, things can look very different. Things can look quite different. Yeah, so we'll test the stuff and we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, let's see. We'll bring up the miniature iPad to be sure. Let us take a little bit of a gander. Here we go. Here's little mini. As it is, I don't know how old the mini is actually. Yeah, I know the SE is pretty old, but the iPad mini, I'm not very familiar with iPads. I've never owned one myself, but I've heard good things. Yeah, let's test out this little game overview. Yeah. Oh yeah, and we still got the little tiny jumps on iPad. Yeah, it seems the Yippee's on Jupiter in terms of gravity on iPad, so we'll definitely need to fix that. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is actually looking good. Yeah, I like this game overview. This is nice. Yeah, we'll keep this. So yeah, I think I'm pretty satisfied with that now. Yeah, that is good. That is nice. Cool. Alright, so now perhaps let's go into debugging some of the whatchamacallits, the game stuff. Yeah, we'll actually tackle some of the bugs in the game, and I'll kind of point some out that maybe we'll want to tackle, because there are some kind of nasty bugs, and then there are some kind of less gross, I'll say. Yeah. Well, yeah, here's one. So when we turn and we shoot, like the arrows are going like backwards. Yeah, you see that? It's like that's a bug. That is definitely a bug. Yeah, so we'll probably want to fix that. Although upon first inspection, I see a very conspicuous UI error that we'll probably want to fix just to, I don't know, please the mind. Yeah, the little 0 there next to the ruby is getting a little chomp taken out of him. Yeah, so we'll bring him down to earth. Yeah, he's floating up there. He's trying to commune with the gods. That 0. We'll bring him back down. It's like what's the story? It's like the story of Icarus. He flew too high, too close to the sun, and then his wings melted. That's what that 0 is trying to do. He's flying too close to the sun. Yeah, so we'll bring him back down. Yeah. So that's this. This ruby count label. Yeah, so we'll want to adjust this Y label position here for iPad. Or rather, just iPhone, I think. Yeah. Although we had some value here before. I forgot what I put, because it was working before, actually. Let me look at the old code here. The old code that is on the GitHubs, because I'm pretty sure I had some working value there before. Yeah, well, let's see if we can revert what we had. Yeah. I think we can probably copy what we had before. Yeah. I'm looking at my old code here. Let's see, what did we have? I'm gonna copy this. Yeah, here's what we had. I got the value. This is what we had before for iPhone. Oh, I don't think I copied. Let me copy this one over. Okay, wait, I just copied it over. It's the same number. Oh, most intriguing. Right, so then I wonder what's pushing it up extra. Did I change the anchor point maybe? I changed X value. That should be fine. Oh wait, I might have changed the size. Hold on, let's take another gander. Maybe the size affects things. Oh, this is fine. This is kind of a conspicuous bug here. I must say. I must admit. Oh, wait, I think I know what could be going on. I think when I maybe update the Ruby, like update Ruby count, it's like not... Oh no, that should be fine. Yeah, this is most intriguing then. Most intriguing indeed. Let me show what I'm looking at. I'm looking at an older version of my code. Yeah, because I think we've got something going on here. We've got something definitely amiss. Definitely something awry. Well, let me show. I'm looking at an older version of my code to find out what the Y position on this little 0 was in our game. Yeah, because I think, I don't know, there's like a mismatch somewhere. Yeah. So when we like create Ruby label, yeah. So we've got this as our Y value, right? But it's also the same in our code. Yeah, so that's what's interesting about it. I think, oh, maybe it's this Ruby height. Maybe. Let's do a little side-by-side comparison. Yeah, let's do the thing. The little side-by-side thing. Yeah, we'll kind of shrink some of this. See if we can get it like side-by-side above our code here. Yeah. And we'll do a little comparison of the code. Yeah. Let's see, so we've got... this is our Y value we're passing in. This is our new Y value. And then this is what we're passing in on iPhone. Right? And that's the same as... this value here. So that should be the same. Yeah, unless the height's different, but yeah, the height is this frame dot width divided by 16. And then we've got the same one here. Yeah. Interesting. Or perhaps, yeah, let's do some printing maybe. We'll do some printing. Yeah, we'll print out a Ruby point label Y position, and we'll also print out the actual Ruby's Y position. Yeah, because I have a feeling maybe I can use the same values there, but you gotta print just to double check. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm feeling. Those are the airwaves I'm getting. But we'll confirm. Yeah, so let's see. If we go in the game and we print the thing, let's see. Yeah, we're adjusting the height of this 0 in the top left here. Yeah, so, okay, look at those values we've got. We've got 160 and we've got 379. Oh, wow. Yeah, those are quite different values. Yeah, I wonder, that is really different. Wait, actually, I don't know. But is that like 100 difference would make sense? You know what? I'll change this value, this 379, to be this one. I'll bring it down a little bit, and we'll see what we get. We'll see what we get. Yeah, because I have some feelings. I have some reservations about this. Yeah. Yeah, here's what I'll do. I'll say this. I'll just take this out and do this. Ruby Y position. I have a feeling it'll go up, though. Because I feel like that's kind of how things go. Oh wait, it didn't change. Wait, let me check that again. Is this the right spot? Is iPad the thing? Wait a minute, I think I know what could be happening. Hold on a second. I think it may be... like, is iPad... Okay, well this should be true, actually. Oh, this should be false. Okay. Hold on, wait a minute. Wait, where's my is iPad variable? I think it's in here. We've got like an is iPad which controls like the height of the things and the size of the things. Yeah, okay, so this is fine. That's okay. Although now I'm like, because this value didn't change, so I'm having thoughts that it might like is iPad is true here, which would be very unexpected. Yeah, let's check because I'm not so sure myself. Now it is false. That's interesting then. Yeah, because ideally these values should be the same based on the stuff I'm printing. Let's see. Ruby Y position. Ruby count label Y position. Yeah, so you've got this. This is the Y here. And then... yeah, we should be... actually, yeah, let's do this. Ruby Y position here. And then let's reprint. We'll reprint and see. As we do, we do a little bit of adjustments and then testing back again. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, so there's something I'm not... there's a little noodle I'm not understanding here. But I think once we get to the bottom of it, then we'll be able to bring that 0 down and adjust it a little bit. But yeah, I have a feeling that there's something more than meets the eye here. Yeah. Let's see. So here's Ruby count label Y position. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna drink some water. I think the voice is a bit. There's a horse. There's a frog in my throat. I'm gonna extract the animal. Yeah. One moment. Okay, we're back. We found the thing a new home. I think we're good. I think we're good now. Cool. Yeah, I think then... well, let's see what's going on. Let us see what could be happening here. Yeah, so we've got Ruby Y position. And we've got the Ruby count label Y position. Yeah, so I think something most interesting could be occurring. Yeah, let's see. I feel like it changes at some point. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, so here's Ruby Y position. Oh wait, it does the conversion here. Ooh. Oh wait, I think I know what's going on. I think it's doing the conversion a bit late. Yeah, let's print it better now. I think that was the thing. That was the thing that was happening. And let us be a bit keen about it. Yeah, okay, yeah, now we've got the same value here. Okay, that's good. That's actually good. So that's expected now. I think it was just, yeah, where we were printing it. So that's, we've untangled this noodle. So let us see next what to do. Let us see next. What is on the horizon? Yeah, I think. Well, let's revert this and see what value we get. Let's do a little bit of a reversion. Let's see. Let's investigate. Oh wait, that's the wrong view. Here we go. Ah, okay. So this is only 165. I see. Interesting, intriguing. A most interesting quandary. Let's see. Because ideally it should go down a bit more. Yes, that's what should happen. That is what should happen. I think the ruby height changed. I think that's what's causing this. But let's see. So if I copy this value, yes, that's the same, right? Yeah, that's the same. And then the ruby height. What could this be? What could this be? I think. Ruby size, frame width 16. Yes, this is good. So what else determines this value? Oh, wait. Wait a minute, I just noticed something. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is kind of silly. I just noticed a bug. A little... Yeah, okay, so I've got these lines of code here, right? I'm checking the ruby size. But I'm setting the ruby size after I'm checking it. So it's actually not... it's like 0 there. Yeah, so actually we need to do this. Yeah, and in fact it'd probably be better not to reference this size at all. At least here, we can say... actually, what we can do, we can reference the height. But we'll just want to copy from here. Yeah. So we've got ruby size height. So for iPad, that's this. So we'll just take this and divide it by 2 again. As we do. I think so. I think. Okay, yeah. Well, let's see. Let us see. So, yeah, I think that fixes this. So then we'll want to change these references too. So this also does ruby size height divided by 2. So we'll take this and we'll put it here. As we do. And then this one is for iPhone. So then 16 divided by 2 is 32. Yeah, I think this will fix our thing. Let's see. Let's see if it brings the little 0 down. Ah, yeah, look, it does. We fixed it. Okay, yeah. I guess, yeah, I gotta be careful about initializing the variables in the... before I set the other values, set the thing's reference. Yeah, but we fixed the thing. That's good. That's good. Yeah. So let's work next on this, where we're turning and the arrow's kind of... it's flattening out. Yeah, also when I pick a spot for it to fire at, it's like firing in the opposite, like, wide direction. Yeah, it's like we've got some backwards values here. Yeah. So we'll fix that. Yeah, I think that code's over and our touches begin. Oh wait, yeah, I can get rid of these prints now. That's good. Yeah, so we'll go to touch as we can. And we'll change this stuff here. This is where that code is. So we'll want to change this for iPad. Or actually, well, that's the next thing, but the first thing is change it when we're turning left. Yeah. You're like, yeah, player is facing right, do the thing. Yeah, I think velocity, the value's fine. But probably the DY, I think we want to change. Let me try something. I think the DY is probably something that we need to change. Yeah, let's say if I put a minus here. Or rather, this should be player is facing right. Let's see. Let's see if it at least like points it in the right direction. Yeah, well, we'll take a look. So, if I shoot, like I'm gonna shoot towards the button here, that's alright. And I turn, I'm gonna shoot towards the ruby. Oh, nice. Oh wait, that actually fixed it all. Oh, that was just like one small line of code to change. Okay, now we've got shooting on the right direction working, and the left direction. Oh wow, that was much easier than I thought it would be. Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that was actually really quick. Nice, very nice. All right, now here's another thing I wanted to do. I wanted to nerf the ranged arrows, like the ranged weapon, because you see the bat. It's like you have to get really up close to the enemy. Oh yeah, also there's a bug when it freezes if like the rock hits the bat. But anyway, like you have to get really up close to the enemy to swing at him with the melee weapon, right? But like by the time you're next to him, he's already hitting you. So it's like you really I kind of want to buff the melee weapons and nerf the ranged weapons, because I feel like people are just gonna like spam this when they play the game and like never use the melee weapon ever. So I feel like to fix this, one thing I can do is I can make it so that you can't spam the arrows. Like there'll be like a delay, like you can only fire like once every like 2 seconds or something. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And then I'll make it like so that it doesn't do as much damage either. Yeah, so we'll like, because right now it like takes out chunks of the Yippee health, but if we made it like do much less damage, then I don't think it would be as powerful. So people might be more inclined to use the melee weapon. Yeah. Also, I feel like maybe I should make it larger, or what I could do is I could make the weapons for the enemies smaller. That way you don't have to like get right up next to them and take some hits. Yeah, well actually there I just was able to swing out of range. I wonder. We'll let this little Yippee try and charge at us and see, how does this work? Oh, actually, okay, so I think that's just because I have the bat though. Yeah, I think the bat is slightly longer than the stick, so we're able to get away with that. But I think if we had the stick, we might have to like tank a hit first. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm feeling. Yeah. But yeah, let's do that first, like make it so that when we spam the screen, when we spam our taps, it doesn't like spam the arrows. That seems a bit kind of broken. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, that's kind of how I'm feeling about it. Yeah. Yeah, also, I'm not sure, like, right now I'm tapping on the left side of the screen, and it's able to shoot, like, arrows, but, like, at the downward direction. Yeah. I don't know if I want to change that, like... because it's, like, reversed right now. I kind of do. I kind of want to change that. Yeah, I'll change that, actually. We'll kind of reverse the directions here. So you can tap anywhere on the screen to fire, and it should like fire at the right Y position and angle. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll want to check like if they're facing right and they're tapping on the left half of the screen, or like facing left and tapping on the right half of the screen, then adjust the rotation value and the, I guess like the X and the Y. We'll just have to add like negatives to them. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how we want to do this. So I think we should probably have separate variables for these values, like X velocity and Y velocity. Yeah. So let me make those. Let's make those first. So we've got layer X velocity, I think. Something of this nature. And we'll say a player is facing right. Or rather, player dot is facing right. And then we'll do the thing as we have down there. And then we'll say this player projectile X velocity. Yes. We'll go back to physics class for a little bit. Yeah. As we do. I was never that good at physics. In fact, I would say physics was like my worst topic. But at least this is just like motion. So at least I think my brain can wrap around such things. But anything beyond the basics is kind of foreign to me. Yeah, it's like it's a different language. It's definitely a different language. Yeah. But I think this is good. And then we'll have some if statements in here, like if like if the tap is on the left side and I'm facing right. I think so. Yeah, so if let's see, touches how to call this? Touch location dot oh yeah, we've got the X and the Y value of this. Indeed. So we'll say if touch location dot X is less than frame dot width divided by 2. So that's like if we're tapping the left half of the screen and we're facing right. Yeah, so and player is facing right. Then do some things. And then we'll say also else if touch location, or else if, yes, if it's on the right half of the screen, I guess we should do like an equals here, right? At least to capture the rare case that they tap the middle. Yeah, with the exact floating point position. Just in case. Yeah, so let's see. So if they're tapping the right half of the screen and the player is not facing right, then we'll want to do some things here. We'll want to say probably, I'm guessing the Y velocity we can make negative. Yeah, because right now it's like, it's going in the opposite direction. Yeah, so we'll say this, player Y velocity times equals -1. And then also player projectile angle times equals -1. And since this code is the same for both of these, we're gonna combine these actually. Yeah, we'll combine these. Alright, I think that's good. And we'll put some parentheses around it just to be explicit. Although such things are not needed in the world of Swift. But sometimes they can help to make things more clear. Yeah, I think we're good. Oh yeah, it should be var then. Alright. And now let's print some stuff. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. So... Oh, we've got a bug. Oh, the angle we need to make a var as well. Yeah. Yeah. And now let's check. On the game view. We'll see. We'll see how the things go. So, I'm shooting this is fine. Now if I click on the... Oh wait, no, I've seen something. Oh, no, wait, okay. This becomes a problem at the beginning of the game, actually. Oh, I've got a better way to check then. I've got a better way to check. Yeah, here's the better way to check. Instead of checking this, we'll check the player position. Yeah, that should be better. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. So, oh, yeah. Instead of checking this, I'll say like if the touch is on the left half, like left of the player. It's like left of player dot position dot x. I think it's like player dot yippee node or something. I think such things, yes. Alright, now let's see. I think that should be a bit more accurate. Yeah, let's take another gander again. So, yeah, okay. That's good. And if we click on the left side... Okay, so we've got the position right, but not the angle. Yeah, our angle's a bit off. Let's see then. Let's see. We probably don't want to do this then. I'm thinking that's probably the easy way to check. That would be an easy fix. Let us see. Let us see if such matters are easy. So, I'm tapping on the right side of the Yippee. And we'll tap on the left side. Oh no, okay. Okay, we've got to... There's something more than meets the eye here. Not so simple as... multiplying by -1 or not. Let us take a difference then. Take a little gander. How is the angle being calculated? It's... based on touch location. Oh, that's probably why. That is probably why. Yeah. So then... I guess we can dynamically calculate this. Yeah. That's kind of what I'm feeling. Indeed. Also, I just realized this is a sign of Z rotation. Am I changing Z rotation? Oh, I am. Okay, so that's what it is. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking we probably want this to be a minus and this to be a minus. When we're tapping, when this is true. Right, so how do we change our code to do that? Thinking emoticon. I could recalculate this, but I'd rather only calculate it once. Because that would be more efficient, I would say. Let's think. Let's do a little bit of thinking emoticon. And we'll take a look. So... let's see. Let us see. So this player projectile Z rotation is getting used down here. That's the thing. That is the thing. So this code has to come before this code. That's true. So then... I mean, I could just have this if statement again. Just for the angle. And then we're calculating this again. I actually could put this in its own, like, Boolean value, actually. That could be an interesting way to go about this. We'll say this, var, well, yeah, let me think. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll say is tapping left of player when facing right. I don't know, that seems a bit that seems a bit extra. I'm tempted to recalculate this. I'm on the cusp of being tempted by doing the recalculation of the thing. I don't think it would be that expensive. Yeah, I'm just trying to see how to like optimize for time complexity. Yeah, you know what? I'll just recalculate it. I don't think that should be so bad. Yeah, let's see now. Let's see if that is the fix or not. Yeah, so now I'm shooting towards the button, and now click the ruby. Oh no, okay, yeah, the thing is off still. I think it's off by like 90 degrees or so. Oh yeah, it's like reversed. Only... I think that was the same problem we were running into before. Well, let's see. So... yeah, this is based on touch location. Maybe I don't want to do -x. Just the y, perhaps. Or vice versa. Actually, I'm not so sure. Let us see. So... we go to the right a little bit. Okay, so that didn't fix it, but I think it's probably, instead of this, we need to take out this. Let's see now. Let us see what is conducive to success. I have a feeling some things will be. Yeah, it's still like, I don't know, it's like 90 degrees. It's kind of off by. Like, it's the right position, but the angle is not good. Let's see. How do we do the thing? Thinking emoticon. So, well, oh, I know why this is happening. Yeah, because I'm setting this here and never setting it again. So I need to actually set this like down here. Yeah, I think so. And probably better to do this. Refer this value here. Okay, yeah. I think it's just like some movement of the variables, probably. That's kind of what I'm feeling. Those are the airwaves I'm getting. Yeah, because I don't think it was changing before. And then, yeah, we'll need to print below to make sure. Let's see. I have a feeling that might have been what was causing it. Let's see, so if I print, so I go over here, and then, yeah, there we go. Oh wait, no, it's like a, oh, it's kind of like a constant now. Oh, interesting. He seems to be shooting at not quite the right angle, but it's really close. Like it's off by like a margin. Yeah. Yeah, I have a feeling. Let's see. Because we could, so we're using touch location and also player projectile position. I think the position's fine. I think this touch location probably we want to change. Let me actually take this out on the Y. This Y thing here. And we'll see. So, oh yeah, that kind of made it. Maybe we want the Y back. Yeah, let me swap those signs then, on the Y and the X. Yeah, this is kind of trial by brute force of the signage. Let us see. Oh, not quite. Not quite. I think that's kind of what we had before, though. How do we want to get like a minus value? I don't know if I should bring out the old drawing pad for this one. This is kind of a more... This air is a bit more, like, nuanced than expected. I have an idea, though. I have a silly idea. Here's the silly idea. I do the times equal minus 1 in here. So I don't think we tested that after moving this code down here. So, yeah. Well, any idea is not silly. It's worth experimenting. It's at least worth testing out. Oh yeah, wait, that fixed it. Okay, cool. Nice. That's good. But now let's check on the opposite direction. Ah yes, likewise it's working this way too. Okay, this is good. I like this. Yeah, that was the expected result. Yes, I'm like clicking on the right half of the screen, and it's like going up, kind of towards, yeah, it's respecting the Y, which is good. That is good. Yeah, so that's fixed then. Cool. The next thing I wanted to do, yeah, I wanted to put like a delay on shooting the arrows and such. Because I think such things might be a bit broken. That might be a bit busted as far as balance goes. We need to be our own balance team. And I make the executive decision and I say that this is a bit broken. Because imagine, like, we're going next to a Yippee, we just become a machine gun. Oh my goodness. That is quite busted. Yeah, like Mr. Yippee here doesn't stand a chance, so it's like we have no incentive to use our bat to whack the Yippee. Yeah, we must nerf it so it's not like so, you know? It's like pretty broken, I think, in terms of balance. Oh yeah, look, we've got like a bug where it like, I guess once we spam the arrows, it like, they become invincible. Actually, maybe I should try fixing that first. Because Yeah, I've got a feeling that's... If we fix that, then that'll be alright. Actually, I wonder now. Wait, I'm thinking about something. Because I'm clicking towards the orange Yippee, but I'm firing to the left. I don't know if maybe that's not really what I want. Oh, you know what? I think it would behoove me better to always have the thing... let me think. Let me do some thinking, emoticon. I think it would make more sense if, like, wherever you're tapping on the screen, the arrow always goes there. The only concern I had was, like, now the bow would be facing the wrong direction. But we can update the code to make it swap. Yeah. I think so. I think so. I think that would make more sense. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that, actually. I feel like that would make more sense. Yeah, so we'll update this code first. Yeah, so we'll probably want the arrows to fire. I guess we don't need this player is facing right anymore then. I don't think so. I don't think so. We can just like... we can always fire at a certain direction. I think... No, wait. No, I think we do need this. Well... trying to think. I don't think we need it. Actually. Yeah, let me see this. Let me see this. So if I just take this out, like all this negative logic here. And take this out even. What does that do? What does that do? Okay, that doesn't work for this case. Yeah, okay. So that doesn't work for the backwards case. How do we get something to work for like all cases? I think we do need some kind of if statement again. Let's think. How would we want to do that? Like, I think we could say like, if we tap left of the Yippee, or because it works on the right half of the screen, but not on the left half. That is my concern. Indeed, I have a bit of a concern about this. A little bit. Thinking emoji. Thinking emoticon. Yeah, I just want it so that like wherever you tap on the screen, the arrow goes to that location. But I have a feeling the code that I have, this math here, only works for the right half of the screen. I think so. Touch location Y minus the thing. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm feeling. Let's see if what I'm thinking is correct. If I were perhaps to do this. Let's bring this back. And we'll take out this condition. Just like check if they're hitting the left half of the screen, or like the left side of the Yippee. Yeah. Or I think this should be like frame dot width divided by 2. I think so. Well, let's see. Let's see. So, oh no, wait, okay. Yeah, it doesn't work for that case. I think it has to be like left of the Yippee. Yeah. Let's do a little bit of fine tuning. Alright. And then, oh yeah, when I click on the left half, it doesn't quite work. Yeah, we want it to shoot in the opposite direction. So that would involve changing the angle and the thing. Yeah. So we'll want it to shoot the other way. The other way. Let's see, what can we do then? Oh, we want to update X velocity then, right? Because we want it to at least start shooting to the left, right? That's the main thing. Yeah, so now if I hit the left half of the screen, okay. Oh, nice. Okay, so that's working then for like the whatchamacallit, the Y and the X, but not the angle. We gotta rotate our arrow. Yeah. Yeah. Also, it's kind of acting a bit. Oh my gosh, we've gone like the backwards arrow. We've got the backwards arrow for the Yippee. Oh my gosh. He's like Legolas, but he's got the spirits, but he's, you know, he's learning. Oh dear. Okay. Yeah, we've got a couple of bugs here. So this is working in this case. We've got the arrows are backwards in this case. Yeah. Okay, okay, so I think the X and the Y's are good. It's just the rotation is off. Like, yeah, the arrows should always be pointing left when we're shooting left. And likewise, they should point right when we shoot right. Yeah. So, let's see. What if we take out this? What if we just do that? What do we get? Let us see. Okay, well actually this isn't too bad. We just need to multiply by like 180, like flip it. Same for this case. So if we're like, how do I want to describe this case? So it's rotating because I'm turning. Yeah, wait, so we've got some logic still for like is facing right, I think. Yeah, we gotta remove that logic. Yeah, let's see, where am I doing that? Oh, here it's for X scale. That's why. Yeah, we gotta take this out. So player.projectile.x scale should always be the same value, I think. Actually, then we can just do this. Although, I don't think that will work for the case when we're shooting left, I think we need to update this logic. So instead of player is facing right, we need if we're shooting right. So like this logic. Yeah, so actually what we can do is we can move this down. We can move this down into here, I think. Or I'll make a variable to recalculate this. Yeah, we'll say like let player is firing from left. Yeah. Yeah, that way we can reuse this. And then we can put you here. I think so. Probably a not there. Or rather, we can just do this. We can say -1 here and not here. Yes, I think so. I think so. I think, by Jove, we might be onto something. So... yes, there we go. There's the code. Doing the working thing. Nice. Now we've got arrows from all directions. I think that's probably how we want to design the game. But the thing is, though, I have some reservations about the position, like a couple things. Like, first off, I don't want the arrow to kind of go across the Yippie's face here. I kind of want it to come out of his back. Yeah, because it's looking a bit weird. It's like coming out of nowhere. Yeah. And also, I kind of want to swap the bow direction every time you shoot from left to right. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm feeling. That is kind of what I'm feeling. Yeah. I feel like that's the case. Yeah, I think so. Let's try these things. Let us test the things out. And we'll see. And we'll see. So, yeah, I think, let's see what have we got going on. Let us take a gander. Let's get rid of some extra code here. Also, I forgot to update this comment. Okay. What's next on the horizon? What is next? Let's see. So, we want the position of the arrow to kind of... Yeah, here we go. We've got this is facing right logic again. So we don't want to use that anymore. We want to instead use this player is firing from left. Right? And so then, if we're firing from the left, offset by this. Well, actually, we want to swap these values too. Okay, so this should fix like the arrow going across the Yippie's body when they're shooting in the opposite direction. Yeah, there we go. Now it's like coming out of him, which I think looks slightly better, I think. But the thing is I want to change the direction of the bow as well. That is one thing I want to do. Yeah, because now it's like the bow is firing backwards, but the texture of the bow still looks like it's firing forwards. Yeah. So we'll do that. I think I had some logic for swapping the bow thing. Also, I love this song. This is... What is this? This is called Sublunar Waves. It's one of my favorite songs in this playlist. This synthwave playlist. This is a good one. Yeah, I'm turning this up. Yeah, we'll do the cozy coding. And listen to some good music. Here it is. Oh, these are the vibes, man. This is like the perfect aesthetic I want to give off. This music. Alright, that was enough vibing. I gotta turn it down a little bit. Let me be sure though. Let me be sure these things are appropriately volumed. I think it's okay. I know it's a little. Oh, my bad. Yeah, I think it's all right. All right, let's check some things. Yeah, we've got an interesting bug now. When he fires, he's like swapping his bow. He's quick with his yippee legs. He's able to be quite the adaptive archer, indeed. Oh my. Oh my. Actually, I don't know if I want to have this swapping of the thing. I wonder if it would be fine without it. Or what would be like the best alternative? Let's think. Because I could do something where I like put the bow on the left side of him, but then he'll be like firing out of his butt, which he's kind of already doing. I kind of just want to like, I do want to swap the bow texture. Like, yeah. I do want to do that, but only on like the little line there. Yeah, so that'll determine what, like I'll need the is facing left or right logic again. Yeah, I think we need some checks here. So we've got like is firing from left, and we're facing right, and the bow texture isn't already rotated. Yes, I think so. I think so. So we'll need to say player, ranged weapon, node X scale greater than 1 or something. Or I guess greater than 0. Yeah. And then we'll do the rotating thing. Yeah. And then also, I need an OR here. Let's see. Let us take a gander. So, if they're not firing from left, and they're facing left, and this, yeah, or I think maybe minus. Yeah, let's see. Let's see, I'm not actually sure if this will do the good thing, but we'll see. We shall see. So, that's all right. And then we fire from the left. Okay, so I think the thing rotated kind of where I wanted it to be, but the position changed. Yeah, it was an unexpected position change. So then this is good. Now we fire this way. Yeah, so I don't want the position to change that much. Yeah, it's kind of like, I don't know. I don't know how to describe this, but it is quite interesting. Indeed. Yeah, so I want to like, I guess adjust this position here. Maybe I do like a plus or something. I'm not sure. Let's see. We do a little bit of testing and verifying. As we do. So, or maybe it might work for one. Let's see. Yeah, we basically just gotta move the bow in the right spot, because it's rotating like, I think, I don't know, it has to do with anchor points and such. Yeah. Let's see if we can get it to move in the right spot when we kind of flip it on its whatever axis. Yeah, on the X. Yeah, let's do that. So I think this needs to be divided by 2, I feel. And... well... yeah, let's see. Let's see. I'll just do that for now, and we'll see what we get. We'll see what we get. Let's see if this is fruitful. Oh, not quite. But I think... let's see. Let's see. How exactly shall we do the thing? We can move it. So if we're like facing left, we want to move it right. And if we're facing right, we want to move it left. Yeah, so actually we need separate if statements for this. I need like a else if this. Yeah. And then copy this over. But change this. So this needs to be like a minus, I think. Yeah. That's kind of the vibes I'm getting. Let's think. So, player range node position X. These are the things that I'm thinking of. Let us do some thinking emoticon. So I think this offset is probably not right. So if we're facing right, we want to move the weapon left. That's good. If we're facing left, we want to move the weapon right. That is good. However, wait, maybe this if statement's never true. I don't know, it should be because we've got the X scale stuff working. Yeah. Let's put some prints in here, just to be sure. Print firing left while facing right. And then firing right while facing left. And we'll comment this out. I don't think we need that anymore. Yeah, we actually don't need this anymore because we're done with debugging the angle of the arrow. That is working. So let's be sure. So if now I'm facing left, I'm firing right. And then now I'm facing right, firing left. So that is being called. So those code updates are happening. I think I know what could be going on. I think I know what's happening actually. I think it's resetting. I think it is changing the position of the thing, but it's constantly resetting under did simulate physics. Here. Yes, look at this. It's resetting, I think. Let me print this to be sure. Updating player ranged weapon node position. I have a feeling my code is not wrong in that one section, but it's being overwritten by some updates. Yeah, look at that. It's like... yeah. I think it's moving it. So we'll want to bring that logic here, actually. Yeah. I guess we'll just copy that if statement then. Like this stuff here. Yeah. I think so. Wait, but then... Oh, wait, I see a problem though. We'll need to get this value, and we don't have touch location outside of this function. So we'll need to make this a global. That's kind of gross. I think it's fine though. We just do that. And define it up here. And we'll just set it to some value to begin with. Like false. Why not? Alright, that should be alright. Now I need to copy that if statement down. Like this one. Or is it that one? Oh no, this one. Yeah, this one. I need to copy this over to did simulate physics. Like here. Yeah. I wonder then, do we actually even need this? Like, we might not, now that I think of it. Maybe we can just, instead of modifying, like adding or removing from this x value, we can set it equal. So that we don't need both of this. That's what I'm thinking. Now I'm onto something. Yeah. Yeah. Oh wait, no, this is just for the x value. Yeah, the y stays the same. Okay. And then, let's see. Yeah, so we don't want this logic to be based on whether we're facing right anymore, because we have this case in here. Oh, wait a minute, this isn't covering all cases. Yeah, wait a minute, I do need this. Yes, okay. Then how to do this? I think it's already doing the thing. Let's see. Oh yeah, also we can get rid of that print statement. It's kind of like infinitely looping in here. Yeah. We don't like infinite print statements. That can get a bit unwieldy. Well, let's see. So... Okay, I think... Now, I think it's doing the thing, but it's like... Oh yeah, also it should snap back if we're facing right again. Yeah. So... how to do this? And we need to have, like, if statements for all of these cases. This is much more involved than I expected. But no matter. we'll do the things. So, yeah, also, how big is this file? Yeah, we're starting to approach the 2,000 line mark. Yeah, this is not optimized. Probably not. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Else if player is firing from left. Well, let's do some thinking emoji then. So if we're firing from left and we're facing left. Yeah, so it'd be like not this. And the thing is like whatchamacallit. Also, wait, no, we should... Oh, I see a problem here. Yeah, we don't want this line... Hold on. I see a problem. Yeah, we don't want this line up here, actually. We want this. Because we always want to update that position. Indeed. Ah, that's an adjustment. All right, I think we're in the driver's seat now. A little bit. Oh wait, oh it moved that time. Oh, interesting. Hold on. Wait just a moment. Oh my gosh. My bow's doing a little dance. Oh my goodness. We're doing a little dance when we fire from different directions. I call this the little bow dance, the Yippee bow dance. Interesting. Okay. Okay, we don't want to do the little dance when we're... Oh, we want to swap it when we're doing the other thing. I think our logic has some spirit, but not quite what we're looking for. So we're setting the thing here. If we're firing from left and we're facing right, then we want to rotate our bow and move it forward. That's true. But if we're firing from the other thing, then we want to rotate our thing, right? I think so. Yeah, let us see. Let us take a gander. Where are we rotating this? I think it's when we turn, we rotate the thing. Oh yeah, this particular song in the playlist, I'm not a huge fan of. No offense. But I've been listening to Vila a lot recently. The artist named Vila. I like this playlist of her songs. I'm gonna play it. It's a good one. It's a very good one. Yeah, here's where the rotating stuff is happening. Let's think. So... yeah, all of our songs are jammers, man. These are some good ones. Yeah, I have this move to right action. That's for the melee weapon. Oh, the ranged weapon also. I wonder why I made this a duration thing. Do I need that? Oh, that's kind of weird, actually. I don't know why I did that. Hold on. I'm gonna comment out the code I just wrote. And we're gonna... yeah, that is weird. I need to investigate that. Yeah, I don't feel like this should be an action. I don't remember why I did that. That seems a bit weird. Oh, this is for the Yippee node. Wait. Oh no. No, wait. Yeah, no, this shouldn't... yeah, this is wrong, I think. Yeah, does this break anything? Like, I feel like it's weird that that was like an action. Yeah, not really. I don't know why I had that. That was a bit weird. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of that code. That was odd. Alright. What is our current code after we commented out that stuff? Our current stuff. I don't know. I don't know if it's like worth. It does look weird. He's kind of like firing out of his butt. We've got the Yippee butt cannon. Fire the arrows. Oh, you know what? I can actually make it fire the lasers instead. Yeah, let me do that. That'll be funny. Let's change the thing. Now, where do I set that? That would be funny. It's like... I think it's in when I was assigning the weapon. Yeah, create player weapon. We can just do this. We can say like, yeah. Instead of this, I'll say this. Now we should have Yippee laser butt cannons. Oh no, we got arrow butt cannons. Wait, where's the range texture thing? Wait a minute. Have we discovered a bug? Maybe. On a Cipher weapon texture, but not the... Oh, I think the other thing is in our touches began. Yeah. No, we do this. We're a bit cheeky. We're a little bit cheeky. Fire the butt lasers. Dude. We've got the Yippee butt laser cannons. Yeah, we can even fire from the right side. So that way, if we have any enemies coming at us from behind, we can just fire our butt cannons. Our butt lasers. Yes. Hello, Mr. Yippies. I'm gonna fire my butt lasers at you. How silly. Fire the butt lasers. Yippee butt lasers activated. Pew! Oh my goodness. We're kind of goofy a little bit. We're a little bit goofy, I must admit. What a silly thing. Yeah, let's see. So I don't know. Do we really want it to look like this? I do want to at least rotate the weapon. Bro, I love this playlist. Yeah, let's add that logic back. Yeah, I'll add something like this back, I think. So, let's think. Thinking emoji. So we definitely want to move the bow, at least rotate it when we're firing in one direction. Like when we're firing left and we're facing right, we want to rotate the thing. Actually, oh wait, I have a better idea than all this. I didn't think of it, but I probably should have. What if we just rotate the whole player and the weapon? Wait, that's much better. What am I doing? Oh my goodness. Hold on. We just add the logic for move left and move right when we're firing in the opposite direction. Well, I guess we'll need this like if statement kind of thing back. So that's still relevant, but yeah, that's a better solution to this approach. Yeah, so we'll rotate the whole player when we're like shooting in the opposite direction. That would be better. Yeah, so when we shoot like left, we should rotate the player and the bow. Like when we're facing right and we're shooting left, we should just rotate. That would make more sense, I think. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's do that. So, I think I'll just copy our logic from our move right function. So, yeah, like this logic basically. Yeah, that should work. I think, right? I'm not going wild. I think that's all right. Yeah, actually, yeah. Let's try this. So here. Oh, but we'll need to put this inside this. Yeah, I'm a big Fila fan. This music, man. I've been listening to it a lot recently. This is good. Let's see. So, yeah, so if we're like facing right and we're firing left, then what is this? This is move the thing forward. Yeah, I think actually this should be opposite. If not this. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm feeling. I don't think I'm bugging when I do this. We're bugging on a stack. Are we? Or are we not? Let's see. Let's see if we're bugging for real, for real. We shall investigate. Oh wait, we have this also. Oh yeah. So we just changed this here. But we need to change it. Wait, why did I do this? Oh, now I'm interested. I don't remember why I have this as an action. Oh, that's why. I'm like, oh, why do I have this as an action? Oh, because otherwise he'll just... Oh my gosh. We're hacking. You know what this feels like? It feels like those like Minecraft hacks of like those speed hacks. Oh my goodness. It's kind of hard to look at. Oh my. Oh my goodness. So that's why I had that as an animation. I suppose then that makes sense. Then what I'll do is I'll revert the code change that I made. Because I think we'll probably want the same for the weapon.
There once was a guy created something special. He worked so hard. He found a way to get us to.
So yeah, this code I reverted. Yeah, we'll do that. Well, let's see. What to do? Right, we want that logic in here. Like the move the whole player and the thing. Yeah, like this logic basically. This whole logic here. Yes. We want this entire logic up where our did simulate physics was. I think. Yes. I think so. Such things. So, well, let's see. Oh wait, we're not rotating. Oh, is my logic being called? Let me see. So if player is firing from left, and they're facing right, then do all this. Maybe I need to swap these. Oh, print in here. Yeah. I think I know some bugs that can come from this. Let's see. So if I turn... Oh. Wait, I think the... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, now he's got like the bow glued to him. Wait a minute. Hold on. The player should also turn with this. Yes. That's what we're missing. Oh, yeah, like that. I guess our logic's kind of off a bit. Yeah, like that. It should turn, and I guess the bow should kind of turn with it. Let's see. We're doing the Michael Jackson. Oh my goodness. Michael Jackson would be proud. Yippee, Yippee Jackson. Oh my goodness. Okay. I can shoot from our back. The most intriguing situation. Let's... I don't know what's going on with this. Well, let's try and replicate this. Like, let's try and create the minimum scenario. So this is good. Okay. I think it has to do when we fire. It like sets that variable. Yeah, what if I start firing from the left? So then it turns. Okay, let's try this again. And we turn. Oh, wait. Oh, that shouldn't happen. Oh, I know why this is happening. It's because we set the variable to like false at the beginning. Yeah. Yeah, so it's like doing the weird thing. Well, let's fix first, like, when the bow moves like that, the player should move with it, like, turn. Yeah, so that's like backwards, I think, right now. Yeah, because it's causing us to do the Michael Jackson. Yeah, so we'll fix that. Yeah. I think so. So let's yeah, it's probably in here, I think. So when we're firing from the right or from the left and we're facing right, then do we need... Maybe we can swap this? That's kind of what I'm feeling. These are the airwaves that I'm getting. Let's see. So let's see, now I turn. Oh no, wait, okay, that just kind of like that doesn't really do... Let's see. Wait, at least the player should turn when I'm firing. let's think. Let's do some printing, actually. Let's do a little bit of printing. Player turned... player turned right. Yeah, or rather left. Here. Yeah. Yeah, ideally they should turn, like, left or right. Yeah. Unless it's being overridden somewhere. So... Oh. Wait, that kind of worked. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Okay, so that worked. But... the bow didn't turn with it. Let's try this again. So... Okay, yeah, the bow didn't move at all there. So we want to move the bow in that case. Yeah. Let's see. Where was the other thing? Player turned right. Okay, wait, this called like 3 times. Oh, I think because I'm not resetting my logs. Yeah. So now... Okay, yeah, so that's good. But we need to like turn the bow also. And so in this player turned right situation here, we must also turn the bow. Yeah, so this I think is not getting called. Let's try this. Let us try that. Yeah, also I don't want to use this player is firing from less variable. I feel like that might give us some bugs. Because it's not... This is only being updated in touches began. Yeah, so if we're not, like, tapping the screen, then bad things could happen. Yeah, I have such feelings. Such reservations. Yeah, let's see. Oh, still. Oh, we still got some Michael Jackson action. Okay. Let's reset this. Let's reset it. And then we'll turn. Okay. Player. Oh yeah, I gotta reset this. Reset the things. And then we do a little bit of resetting. Turn. Okay. A most intriguing scenario, to be sure. Oh, I know this. I know why it's happening. This is melee weapon. Oh, okay, my bad. This should be the ranged weapon. That's the bow. Yeah, the melee weapon is like the bat and the sword and the stick. But the ranged weapon is like the bow or the ray gun or the slingshot. Yeah, I think that's better now. Also, I see this is all melee stuff. Yeah, this should not be the case. That is an oopsie. That is certainly kind of a bruh moment, if I might even add. Yeah, let's see. Let's turn. Okay. Well, I think... let's see. Player turned right. And now I think, though, if I swap the things... Also, we need to put a print in here, just to be sure. Like, weapon turned right. Yes, such things. Because we want to... Let's see if this is printing already. Because I have a feeling it's not. I think that's where our bug may lie. Perhaps such things may be associated with this not printing. Yeah, see, it's not printing. The weapon turned right. Yeah, so I think we need to do this. Such changes of the signs. Now let's see. Okay. Well, that turned in the right direction, but it didn't move where it needs to go. Also, when I fire back again, it should turn again. Like, whenever I fire on the left or right side of me, I should turn to face where the arrow is going. I think that's what the bug was with like this variable. Well, let's fix first the bow not moving in the right spot. Yeah, because I think that's not too bad to fix, actually. Yeah, I think. Let me swap this. Let me swap these values, these signs on the things. Now let's see. Oh wait, no, it hasn't loaded. Let's see. Okay. A most intriguing scenario. Let's do some more drawing board things. Run the thing. I feel like it's getting overwritten somewhere. Let's see. Player.ranged weapon.node. Where is this being written to? Here. Create player. That's fine. And here. That's also fine. Move left. I don't think this is getting called, but if it is, it could affect things. Let me print in here, because this only is called when I'm pressing the button to move left. Yeah. Let's investigate a little bit. Yeah, is it like... Yeah, so it's not calling that function. So that's... I don't think it's getting reset by anything. So firing from left and facing left. Yes. And then... Oh yeah, you see, it's not like... It should change to, like, say, firing from right and facing right. It should, like... Well, actually, because... It shouldn't, because the facing right variable isn't being reset. Okay. Yeah, I need to change that variable. Yeah, like is facing left or whatever. Yeah, where do I set that? Where do I set this variable? Only when I press the left or right button. But now that's not always the case, right? Because I might not be moving, and I might turn. Yeah, such things. I think. Yeah, that's the only time I'm setting that variable. Yeah. I see. Okay. I think, yeah. So, this is turning the player, right? Here it is. So then, we want to do like player is facing, right would be false because this is turning left. Yeah. I don't know. We investigate, and we see. We see if the things work after the investigation. Okay. Let's see. What's going on here? Yeah, see, it made this false, so now this is not printing anymore. But it should turn again. So some of these are false. So player is firing from left. Player is facing right. Yeah, so it was printing this. And then when I fire it to the right, it should print this, actually. Players not... Players facing right is true, so then this would actually be false. Yeah, okay. I see what's going on here. I see what's going on here. Yes, I see such things occurring. Yeah, I think I've kind of made it a bit complex for me, just because I have this like bully I'm tracking where I'm facing. Yeah. Yeah. So let us see. Let us investigate a little more. Let's do a little bit of investigating. I think such things are occurring. Yeah, so basically I just want to like turn the player and the weapon whenever we fire left to right. That's kind of like the basis, which isn't really that bad. That should be pretty simple. But I'm thinking there might be more that meets the eye. Let us investigate. So this doesn't get set to true anymore. Oh wait, this should actually be player turned left. Wait, player is firing from left and facing right. Facing right. Oh. I see. Ah, my prints were wrong, which was confusing me. Now let's see. Aha! Fast yippies, quick. Although I can see the thing like fade away. You see the bow's like fading. I think that's because of the animation I put. Like this move action. Yeah, let me actually take this out as an action. We're making some progress. That is good. We like the progress thing. We do like progress. Technological progress too. I'm a very big tech advocate. But progress in our own game is, you know, that's the good thing too. Okay, yeah, now it's not like flashing. I don't think so. Oh, but I see a bug though. It's like... Yeah, sometimes it's shooting down. Like I'm gonna shoot towards the top right. Yeah, see, that time I like shot down. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, sometimes it's like... Oh, how weird. Oh, I think it's because we're... Oh, I see what's going on. We're in like a little range where it's not player position x divided by 2. Yeah. Such things. So I think we need to update the variable in the fire thing. This is good. I think this works better. Little threshold. Yeah, because it's based on the player's position relative to the touch. Hmm. Hmm. Let's think. Yeah, what could be causing it to fire down though? That is weird. So, because it's still turning, right? Hmm. I think that's the only problem. Like it's, whatchamacallit, it's like, it's rotating in the wrong direction and the velocity is also in the wrong direction.
Sit down, take off your shoes. I'm a confessor. My job is just to get at the juice by talking to you or anyone who needs me to prove I'm innocent. Yeah, that's what the last guy said. Never trust a bitch who wants to get in your head. That's what you called me, right? While you looked at my body, humming and hawing, assuming I wouldn't see you, right? So come on, tell
Well,
me
let's see.
you don't hear it out. You're so strong, why you shaking in your boots? So come on, because I wanna hear it out. I get it, you didn't do it. You're sitting here right in front of me, waiting for me to prove it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the coat. I see a little hand on your forehead.
Let us investigate. Perhaps.
Slipping in your head into your thoughts, I got my eyes a shadow, waiting for the truth to come out. Sit your body down, still to your head. I'm gonna find
Thinking emoticon. I'm trying to think, because it's just that little threshold that's the issue.
your freedom is a man depends upon what I see. So terrified is really what you ought to be. Wait, isn't that the way you said it would be?
Yeah, I wonder.
Everything catered to me? Something isn't right. I wasn't told you were waiting for me. Waiting me? On top of all of that, you'd be rating me? Listen.
I have an idea. I can print this to test.
I'm never gonna be the way they were saying, baby. And they're stuck in between. Listen to right, listen to you, or listen to me. So tell me, baby, how you gonna change it? Is it all a big lie? Gonna rearrange it? If you're hiding something big, I guess you better bring it. But you can't fool me.
Yeah, well, let's test this.
And I don't care what you say. I'm gonna get the truth either way. And don't be so quick to call a woman a name, because the one you're talking shit controls your fate. Slipping in your head into your thoughts, I got my eyes a shadow, waiting for the truth to come out.
Oh, see that? It's like... Wait, so the variable's fine. But the direction is not. Interesting. Yeah, let's do some more investigating. Let us see. Let us investigate such things. So this is fine. That is expectedly working. Then there must be some threshold that's being set somewhere. It has to be affected by this. I was setting this position here. Oh, I see this. I think it's this. Maybe. Oh no, wait, that should be fine actually. Let's think. So let's do some thinking emoji then. Players firing from left. Player Yippee node minus the thing. I feel like this is a threshold though. That's causing the problem. But I don't know why that would affect this so much. But that is the only thing I can really think of. Like, I feel like if I took this out, it would kind of fix it. Let me see. We can test to see. Oh, it did fix it. That's odd. But now we're firing from our face, which is not ideal. So why would that cause that? Like if we do some offset. Because it affects touch location, I think. Or like how we're doing the thing with touch location. Let us investigate. So we found where the bug is. However, oh, I have an idea. I'm gonna put a knot here. And then we'll see. Perhaps it's a simple thing. Oh no. Now we've got like the arrows firing from our back like a, I don't know, some kind of like rocket launcher. Oh, that's wild. Oh wait, and then what was that? Hold on. Wait, was that a bug? So I'm like firing this way. Oh wow, that is so wild. That is so wacky. Or I don't even understand my own code anymore. Like, why did that happen before? Oh wait, I just saw something. Yeah, it's doing some weird stuff when we're turning. Ah, okay. Oh, I know what is happening actually. It's running the did simulate physics animation and it's conflicting with it. Yeah, if I spam this, I think I'll see the bug more clearly. Yeah, see? Yeah, it's conflicting with the two. Let's fix that first. That could be part of why this is happening. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that one variable that I had. Like this one. I think this is why it's conflicting. Like I don't want to put that there. I don't think I need to. Yeah, I only need to turn when we're clicking, right? So this code, I think we can move to that touches began. This one we might need to keep. Let's do that. Yeah, that way we're not like conflicting with like turning and stuff. Yeah, I think that fixed it. Yeah, having that in the did simulate physics was not ideal. Oh, this is one of my favorite ones from Vila. This is called... Oh, no, this is the first one. It's called Faint Vagrant. Oh, wait, I just saw a bug. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah, okay, I see this bug. Okay, I see how to reproduce this. Also, I think this should be backwards, right? Hold on. Yeah, these should be the same direction. Yeah. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, wait, yeah, this does cause some bugs. Okay. Yeah, I think some of my stuff is wrong. On like move left and move right and such. Yeah, if the thing is this way, I guess I should also say like, and player is facing right? Wait, no, that shouldn't happen. Wait, am I ever doing like toggle? Player is facing right equals true. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'm not calling toggle. Sometimes that can cause some bugs. Let's see. Let us see. I think it has to do with like the direction we're facing. Inside the move left and move right functions. That's my initial thoughts. That's kind of where my mind is first. Let's see. Let's print the things. Yeah, so we'll print inside here. Because I think it was just the weapon that was bugging, right? Yeah, like move, like flip weapon inside move left. Yeah, because I think this is where our things are coming. I think so. Such things indeed. Yes, let's print the things here. Yeah, well, let's see. Because I have a feeling, I have such feelings that these things might be occurring. Yeah, so this is fine when we like turn. However, if I were to turn like this, yeah, does it say like flip? Oh, it doesn't flip the weapon. Like inside. Oh, see, that's what's probably is going on. Like we need to be calling that. Yeah. Like turn. Interesting. Wait, let me reset my logs and see again. Hold on. Moving right, turn. Moving left. Oh yeah. Yeah, our like it's no longer working as expected. Interesting. Or it like resets. Well, actually, wait a minute. It's turning correctly. It's just not whatchamacallit, it's not moving it as it should be. As it usually does. I need to check the position on this. Ah, this is why. I think. I think it's conflicting with this. Okay, now that's working. Aha! Yes, this is good. This is good. Alright. I had a feeling it was conflicting somewhere. Okay. Now I gotta fix this like little area where he like fires inside himself and he like shoots down. That is intriguing. Let's see what could cause this. Let us see. Let's think. So we fixed it when we changed the threshold thing. Inside touches began. I remember that. But that's not how we want to fix it. Like we fixed it when we took out this stuff. Yeah. So how to keep this code while also having it shoot in the right direction? Player projectile position. Because the position is fine actually. It's just the angle and the velocity that it shoots at. So, which is set here. Yeah, it's like, it's doing the wrong thing. Yeah, it's like firing down actually. Which is, yeah, that is most unexpected. Yeah, what could be causing this? This position stuff maybe? Yeah, I don't know why that threshold would cause this. Let's think. Let's think. Actually, we can print these values. Yeah, let's print these values and see. I have a feeling it's related. So, let us investigate. So, Oh wait, actually I also want to print the like players firing from left. Let's see. So that's fine. And if we go in here, oh, it's false. Oh wait, yeah, that's actually fine though. Yeah, see it changes so drastically. You see that? Like the angle and the y velocity. So the x velocity stays the same, but the angle and the y velocity. Okay, that's good to know. It's just affecting the y, which would affect the angle. So if I'm like clicking right above the Yippie's head, it goes down. If I click slightly off, then it goes where it's supposed to be. Interesting. Interesting. So it's just the y. What could be causing that then? So sine is opposite, which is the y. Player projectile position y. So this code is affecting the y value. Yeah. Let's see. Let us see. So, So when I took this out, it didn't break. That is weird. I feel like this is a misnomer. Or what's the word? It's like a red herring. This line of code is, I think, I don't know if I'm looking in the right place if I'm looking at this. I feel like the fix should be in here though. I have a theory. Let's see. I just said theory, and then Siri came up. I guess the way I say it, it sounds very similar. Yeah, it activated it on my phone. Let's see. Well, let us see. Where could such things be occurring? Well, let's test again. So, if I... Yeah, see, I'm like shooting directly above the Yippie's head, and it makes the arrow go down. Then I go slightly off, and it goes up where it's supposed to go. Yeah, like this is fine. Then I go right above his head, and it like causes the y velocity to become negative, or so. Yeah, that's what's happening. It's like, it's becoming negative, I think. It is doing some wacky things. And I fixed it by taking this out, but that's not ideal, because like, I take this out and then like, and then some things happen. Yeah. Perhaps such things could be occurring. Yeah, because I don't want it to like fire from his face. Ideally, not so. Let us investigate then. Let us do a little bit of investigating. Yeah, why would the Y suddenly become negative because of that? That is interesting. So based on touch location, the Y velocity becomes negative. Let's think. So it's touch location minus player projectile position dot Y. Player projectile position Y. Is that right?
There once was a guy, created something special. He worked so hard.
Or maybe it's this X here.
He found a way to get us to
It's a false. Well, because this is sine, right? So it could be the X actually. Player projectile position X. Like perhaps we want to use. Well, that's we do need that. So if it's the X which is affecting the Y thing, then it would be probably related to this. I have a theory. I have a theory. Here's my theory. What if I like add this value here? Yeah, or something of such sorts. Like so. Yeah, let's see. Let us see. I have a theory. Oh wait, that fixed it for one side, but not the other. Which means I just need to change the sign on the other direction. Like here, probably. Or maybe it was the other thing? So it fixed this direction. But not the other. Wait. Oh wait, no, I think... Oh no, wait. Oh yeah, that's weird. Oh, this song. Oh, got me thinking. Oh, dude, I love this, man. Got me thinking. Let's try this. Let us try the thing. Yeah, so it's working in one direction, but not the other. Oh, right, because this is on the Y. This is changing in X. Oh. Wait a minute, so What if I did this? Or... I have an idea. I have an idea. Here's my idea. Actually, I should test the other way if it works. If I switch this sign. If my theory proves correct, then this should work on the left, but not the right. Ah, my theory is correct. Yes, I know how to fix this. This is what I need to do. A most sinister bug. Wow. There it is. My goodness. My golly, man. What a noodle to untangle. But I think we've got it. Yes, this fixed it. Good, good, good. Very nice. Alright. There's some bugs fixed. Nice. I'll be honest, it was kind of not super visible because you can't see my mouse. Like the bug was like when I clicked over the Yippee, it caused the arrow to shoot into the ground. But then when I clicked away from the Yippee, then it was firing fine. But yeah, that's fixed. That's good. That is good. Cool. Alright. So that was one bug. Let's try and fix a bug where when we like spam some of the Yippies, they become invulnerable. I've noticed this. Yeah, look, he's invulnerable now. Let's try and fix that. It can't get me up here though. How about I can't get him because he's invulnerable. The game of cat and mouse. But I can bonk him if he doesn't kill me first. You win this time, Yippee. But I will remain victorious next time. Also, this M is kind of small. Let me fix that. This one. Yeah, I have it at 25. Let's change it back to 30. Yeah. That's a bug fixed. Nice. Progress. We like progress. That is good. Yeah. That is pretty good. Oof. Oh yeah, one thing I wanted to fix was like, you see the distance like kind of switches in when it shows up. Like you can see the distance text change. Yeah, I wanna fix that. Yeah. Let's fix that.
I think I've seen this place before.
So
I think I've walked this
Yeah, how to change this? I think it has to do with this. Probably is like a whatchamacallit. This is a state variable. Maybe the last state that's updated. Let's see. Yeah, how to fix that? Yeah, it should already update before the thing loads in. Where is this distance variable coming from? From wherever game overview is being passed. Let me find references. How do I like find references of code? Navigate, show. Oh, I'm not sure actually. In Xcode. I think it's in the game view though. Game overview. So distance, right? It's being passed here. Here. Game.distance. So I think that's probably the last value that's updated in the game over, which is why it's happening. Yeah. So how to ensure this updates before showing the game overview? Yeah, like the game overview should already have this value. I could get it from user defaults. Maybe. Well, then I wouldn't update the state, right? I did this in my Mango app actually. My Mango is to blow up app. I think I did that. Let me take a look at that code. We'll pull it up, Jamie, and we'll take a look. Let's take a look. I've got it on my other thing. I think I had a similar bug in here that I fixed. Although it wasn't with using user defaults. I don't think that's needed here. Yeah, I had a game overview in here. Oh, there's like score. I think that was what it was. The score variable, which is being passed in the game view. Here. And then we pass it in game scene. And what is game scene? Or a score, rather. Wait a minute. Or, oh, I guess it's like points or something? Yeah, published points. Here, it's published. Did I make the other one published? I think so. I think I did make it published. Wait, so am I also having this bug in my Mango app? Maybe I didn't fix it. Yeah, this is also published. Hold on, let me get my Mango app up and running just to check. Yeah, this will be a little cameo of a different app on the Yippee mobile game stream. Of a previous app that we built on stream. a little app cameo, if you will. Yeah, let me actually show that. I've got another X code for my mango. Here we go. Yeah. A little cameo of the My Mango app just to verify some things. So I might have had this bug in here too. That's kind of what I'm feeling. Yeah. My mango is to blow up.
My mango.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna make a video on this app.
And then act like
'Cause
I don't know nobody.
I've been kind of delaying it
Blow up.
a little bit.
My mango. Blow up. Blow up.
Okay, yeah, see the score that time, it didn't like show that it
My
updated.
mango is to blow up. And then
So I
act
think we
like
fixed
I
it
don't
in
know
this.
nobody. Blow up. Blow up. Blow up.
Yeah, I don't see it updating in there. So I think we fixed it. So how did I fix it in this app? A little My Mango cameo. Wait, we like the little cameos. Yeah, let's check. I'll go back to the Yippee app. And we'll do a little back and forth comparison of the code. I have a feeling because it's like user defaults and stuff. Oh. Oh wait, no, I see what's going on here. There's like a dispatch queue thing. I think I manually put a delay on it. Yeah, wait, I'm gonna bring back up the My Mango code again. There's something I'm seeing that I think is interesting to show. Yes. See, I put like... I remember I did this. It was so weird. Dispatch queue main async now, 0.35. And this matches the animation, I think, on this. Like the bounce animation. I think so. Or yeah, like it kind of matches the velocity of this animation. Ah, that was so weird. I did like a delay for that. Although that was... Hold on. Yeah, this is for the other thing. Let's sync then. Yeah, I do want to fix this. Yeah, so this is changing it. Oh, we change it periodically. That's why it does this. Oh. Perhaps we can do the same thing. Although that wouldn't fix... Perhaps I have an idea. I might ask ChatGPT. Because they might have a solution to this conundrum. This... Yeah, this I don't know, quandary or so. Yes, indeed. let us consult the chat GPTs, because I feel like such things are occurring. We like to do a little bit of chat GPT, a little bit, because it helps a little bit sometimes. Let us see. Let us see. We'll pull up the old. Let me pull up the old reliable. And I'll give it my code, and I'll see what it says, what it thinks about this. Let's see. So I'll paste in some code that I have. Actually, let me wait to show that once I get my code ready. So I'm gonna paste it in my game overview file. Yeah. How do I get it so that the game overview distance label is already updated by the time the game overview let's see, the transition animation or so, right, this animation, ease in and out. By the time the ease game overview ease in out animation has begun, here is the game overview, and then I'll pass it also the game view reference, where we're calling it. Here's where this is being created in a game view, and yeah, then we've got like game over. Yeah, where is this function? Here. Here's a game over function in a subclass of SK scene. Distance is a published variable as seen here. Yeah, let me. I'll do the thing here. Yeah, here we go. I've got. Let's spit out something. Let's see if it understands some SwiftUI, because it's kind of new. Here we go. To ensure the distance label is updated before the ease in out thing happens, we need to make sure distance is fully processed before triggering the animation. Update state before animation trigger. Ensure the state change distance update happens and completes before you set this to... Oh. Wait, really? Wait a minute. Modify game over to update this first. Oh wait, they are using a delay. This is what I did in my Mango app. I thought it was a weird practice, but now they're recommending it. I don't know, maybe ChatGPT is doing the weird thing. Also, what is this? They're not passing a duration to the delay. Oh wait, no, they're putting this on the main queue. Okay, I think that's probably, like, if we're doing this after, or yeah, if we're doing this after, maybe that could be it. Yeah. Let's try this. That could be a good solution. Let's see if ChatGPT is the magic 8-ball answer. Oh no, yeah, we are updating this before. Ew. Okay. I figured it would have been like we were updating it after, which would have caused it to error out. But we are already updating it before. Oh wait, no. We need to update distance before this. Ah, okay, okay. Now let's try. I'm not gonna do the dispatch queue thing that I mentioned, but let's see without it if it works. Let us see. I'm hopeful. Because that would make sense to me. Like we update the distance thing after. Yeah, let's get a little game over here. Ah, yeah, that fixed it. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's because we were updating the is game over to true before we were updating distance. Oh, nice. That's good. That is good. Also, I don't like the rocks going through us sometimes. Like, that only happens because we made it so that we're, like, invulnerable while our health bar is still flashing, but I kind of want the rock to hit us, but to just not damage us. Oh, no, wait, that time I saw the distance update. Oh, no, I'm still seeing it update. Okay. Let's... Wait, I think this might also be related to the order of things. Yeah, does that affect anything if I put this at the bottom? Like, is game over to false? Where am I calling this? This is an update.
Welcome to the meeting, and let me introduce. Get comfy, sit down, take off your shoes. I'm a confessor. My job is just to get at the juice by talking to you or anyone who needs me to prove I'm innocent. Yeah, that's what the last guy said. Never trust a bitch who wants to
I'm gonna put it at the bottom and see what happens.
while you looked at my bar.
Like game dot is game over like after this.
So come on, tell me all about you. You done wrong, I wanna hear it out. You're so strong, why you shaking in your boots? So come on, because I wanna hear it out.
Yeah, we'll get
You didn't do it.
hit by a bunch of sticks here for science.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the cup.
Let's see.
It'll land on your forehead.
Yeah, I don't see an update there. I think that's good. Let's try again. Because it could be one of those bugs that only happens sometimes. Okay, I saw it like change a little bit there, but not really too noticeable.
You said it would be. Chilling me out, everything catered to me. Something isn't right. I wasn't
Yeah, let's see.
rating me on top of all of that. You be rating me? Listen, something's gotta change, baby.
Okay, I barely saw it change there.
Saying, baby. And they're stuck in between. Listen to right
Yeah.
or listen to me. So tell me,
Okay, I think it's okay.
is it all a big lie? Gonna rearrange it? If you're hiding something big, I guess you better break
Maybe I will try their dispatch queue suggestion though.
famous. And I don't
Also, I can get rid of this print.
I'm gonna get the truth either way. And don't be so quick to call a woman a name because the one you're talking shit controls your fate.
Yeah. So This is good though. This is good. Oh yeah, I was gonna try their suggestion of the thing. They did this. They said like dispatch queue main async around this. I guess this forces it to update on the main thread. Maybe if it wasn't before, then it is now. Oh yeah, I need to capture self. Or put it explicitly. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let us see. Let's get whacked a bit. A little bit of whacking is necessary. Oh. That is... Okay. I didn't unpause that time. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I think that's might be because of this. Yeah, I don't want that to potentially happen. I'd rather have the animation bug than that happen. Because one is like a visual thing and the other one like affects the user. It's like the pick the poison of the bugs. Oh yeah, also I forgot, like, we need to make it so that we can't like walk off the edge here. I forgot when I did the thing, but like, yeah, we want to disable the left button if we're like trying to, like, I guess when the game starts, when our position is like too far left, we don't want to go left. So yeah, we'll need to do that in the update function. Yeah, probably just set it to be like the pressed image. So in the update function, oh yeah, can we do like user interaction? Yeah. So we'll just disable user interaction on the left button if we're too far left. So we literally can't press it. Yeah. That should be good, I think. Player, Yippee node. Where does it spawn? The X position, rather. Yeah, wherever I'm calling create player. Here. Frame.width divided by 6.2. Okay. There. Now we'll disable the left button if we're too far left. Oh, but that doesn't work if I'm holding it already. Wait, actually, that's not even doing anything. Interesting. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah, this seems to be false. Yeah, so if I... Oh, but it still lets us move left if we spam it, or if we hold it. Interesting. So we can long press it, I think. Yeah. Well. How to deal with this? How to deal with such things? Like move left. What is this called? Move left tap release. Let's think. You know what? I think I might come back to this one. Yeah, I think I might call it, but let's go over what we did today, because we did quite a lot. Now, what bugs did we fix? Yeah, so the main thing we were looking at today was, like the turning. We want to like turn and shoot. That was one thing. We also moved that little 0 down. What else? We did the game over thing, or like the distance was kind of being weird when it updated. Yeah. Oh yeah, but I see it's still doing that though. Yeah, we might need to come back to that then. That's a little awkward. Oh, I got the turning though, the turning shoot. That is nice. That feels more natural than what we had before. That is good. I like that. Yeah, I think it's good. This is good. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. Yeah, I think I'll probably call it there then. Yeah, this is good progress. There's little bugs fixed and things. Nice. Yeah, so with that, thanks for watching. This was part 31 of building a Yippee mobile game. Yeah, I think we're pretty close to finishing. I think we've just got like a couple of bugs left, and then Game Center to integrate, and then sound. Sound should take like an hour or so, like probably even less than that. It's like pretty quick. Game Center maybe a bit longer, but I'm still pending some account stuff for that. And then we need to do some more bug fixing a little bit. Oh, and then I guess like some more iPad support for the shop and the game itself. Yeah, so still a couple things on the thing, but the gameplay's done. The UI is like designed and done, minus like some iPad stuff for like a couple of the views, but we've got some good things going on. And I'll mention there's some interesting things happening behind the scenes as well. But those will be surprises once those happen. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8 p.m. Pacific for part 32. Yeah, so yeah, take care and see ya.